Star Peak Energy Transition Corp. Stock ticker symbol is STPK. It's a SPAC that's merging with a company called STEM, and it's a stock that I really like. It's one of our largest positions in our public portfolio on Patreon. If you guys want to like join our community on Patreon, we talk about stocks, investments, business, when I buy and sell stocks in real time. Well, make sure to join that group. I linked it down below. But this is one of our biggest investments. And in my opinion, I think it's massively undervalued right now. It's the first pure play smart energy storage company to go public. And green energy is a very hot space right now. Some news that just came out with STPK, a lot of what happened in Texas, they said was unfortunate. The CEO of STEM came out and said it was very unfortunate, everything that happened with Texas, but a lot of it could have been prevented with STEM's technology. Because what they have is they've built something called the Athena platform, which is a smart solution based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, which can reduce energy costs, carbon emission, and provide greater reliability for the grid. So essentially what it will do eventually, and what it does for tens of thousands of households and businesses already, is it helps transition between using grid energy, so like just the power grid, to using solar energy and battery storage. So it helps transition between when can you use solar versus battery powered versus the grid. And this is really important as more and more houses, more and more businesses will look towards greener energy solutions with let's say solar. And the Athena platform figures out which is the best to use at that specific time. Is it grid, or is it battery storage, or is it using solar? And according to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, they just released their energy outlook for 2021, and they're projecting that by 2050, the energy consumption of renewables will more than double, and renewables will account for 42% of all electricity generation in the U.S., and that's the exact industry that STPK and their merger with STEM is in. It's like buying a Tesla. It's like buying Tesla years ago before electric cars became a whole entire trend and electric vehicles became very popular. So right now, companies like Walmart, Amazon have already pledged to operate on 100% renewable energy and reduce their footprint to net zero carbon emissions. And STEM already has partnerships with Walmart, Amazon, Apple, Duke Energy, Dominion Energy, and a lot of major companies right now. So STEM, they see this market as a 25x growth opportunity. They think that the total addressable market for their industry is $1.2 trillion. They're the clear leader in this space. And after the recent dip the stock has had with the market going down, I think it's a great time to get in. I bought more shares of this recently. I'm going to continue to buy it if it continues to go down, because if you're looking 5 to 10 years from now, this stock is easily a $100 stock. Like it could be a $100 stock by the end of this year, but conservative is a $100 stock within the next 5 years. So tripling your money in 5 years, people are looking for massive returns. This stock has potential to be a massive home run. The industry is going to grow 25x what it currently is to a $1.2 trillion market. STEM isn't just an idea. They're generating revenue. They have proprietary technology with their Athena platform, and I think this is a stock you definitely want to be looking at. If you've never heard of it, or if you're not already in it, at least put it on your watch list. It is something that I do like as well.